FaheemShaheen English Practice. Welcome to my channel. Conversation between two students discussing their recently announced result. It's in simple and clear English for easy speaking practice. Hey Maha, have you seen the exam result? Yeah, I just checked them online. I was so nervous. Same here. I could not sleep properly last night. So, how did you do? Not bad, I passed all subjects. Got 82 in English. That's amazing. I got 76 in English. Nice. What about math? I got 69. I am just happy I passed. I totally understand. I got 74 in math. Science was the hardest for me. Really? I thought it was okay. I got 88 in science. Wow, that's great. I got only 65. That's still a pass. Be proud of yourself. Thanks. Are you happy with your overall grades? Yeah, I think I did my best. What about you? I'm satisfied. Just glad the exams are over. Me too. Time to relax a bit now. Definitely. Maybe we can go out this weekend to celebrate. Sounds like a plan. We deserve it after all that studying. Absolutely. Let's enjoy it. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.